is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Anne Arundel, Maryland. Flood warning in effect until 9:30 p.m. this evening caused by excessive rainfall is expected. The areas affected include a portion of central Maryland, including the following county, Anne Arundel. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 9:30 p.m. Saturday. Impacts, flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details, at 3:29 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Severn, Riviera Beach, Baltimore Washington Airport, Glen Burnie, Severna Park, Odenton, Pasadena, Lake Shore, Ferndale, Fort Meade, Southgate, Green Haven, Linthicum, Gambriels, Harmons, http://www.weather.gov/safety flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A marine weather statement has been issued for the following areas: Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor. At 3:15 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a cluster of showers and thunderstorms, capable of producing winds to around 20 to 30 knots and pea-sized hail. These showers were located near Fort Smallwood State Park, moving northeast at 10 knots. Mariners can expect gusty winds to around 20 to 30 knots, locally higher waves, and lightning strikes. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. And now a special weather statement from your National Weather Service. Issued at 1:37 p.m. Scattered thunderstorms with localized flooding, hail, and strong winds this afternoon. Showers and thunderstorms have started to develop across the area and will continue through this afternoon before diminishing early this evening. Some of these storms could produce locally strong winds, peat and nickel-size hail, and localized flooding. The National Weather Service in Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central and Arundel County in central Maryland until 4 p.m. At 3:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Odenton, or over Crofton, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage or outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Crofton, Severna Park, Odenton, Millersville, and Gambriels. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.